Hey everyone, Mortgage Nerd here, going to talk to you about something really nerdy. It's the APR, annual percentage rate. So whenever you buy a house or a car, you always have your interest rate. Let's just say in this case it's 5%. But then you go and you look at other documents and you're like, why is there a higher rate on all these other documents? What is this? What's this APR? Well, the APR, or annual percentage rate, is your interest rate, 5%, plus your closing costs spread out over the life of the loan and in the form of a percentage rate. What the heck does that mean? Let me show you. APR, annual percentage rate, it's not the interest rate. Two different things. Your interest rate is 5% in this case. Let's say your closing costs are $3,000. Okay, I know, it's not realistic in Florida, but let's just say it is. We're gonna take that $3,000, we're using a number that's easy to divide by 30, say a 30-year mortgage, and we're gonna spread that out over the life of the loan. So $100 per year, 100 times 30, is your $3,000 in closing costs, right? All right, so now let's make it a percentage. 5%, but then you need to add the $100. The 100 divided by 100,000 is 0.001, but if you make it a percentage, you move it over, whatever, 0.1%. So what's your APR in this case? 5.1. When you see this and you see it's 5.32, it's not because someone's charging you a higher rate, it's because of the closing costs that go towards the APR are higher than someone else that might be a 5.18. It's important to look at it, but it's not too important to look at it because it also depends on where they fit which costs. Not everything in your closing statement is a cost. Some are prepaid items. You can kind of fudge the APR. When you go down to close, that's where you can look at it. But look, in the end, it's your interest rate that you're being charged, and then the discount points or origination points. Those are the two main things to see what your cost is from the lender. Now, when you're looking at title costs and everything, that's something different, insurance, taxes, all of that. But hey, I hope you learned something today. This nerdy guy, some nerdy numbers, annual percentage rate. Now you can go say, hey, I learned what annual percentage rate is. Bye.